Today I'm going to teach you how to use Cash App Pay with Jotform. This integration allows you to accept payments directly through your forms using Cash App, making it incredibly convenient for both you and your customers. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform account. This is where you'll be creating and managing all your forms with payment capabilities. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating any new form or project within Jotform. A menu will appear with several options for what you'd like to create. From the options presented, click on Form. This takes you to the form creation interface. You'll then see different ways to start building your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, allowing you to customize your form exactly how you need it. Now you'll be in the Form Builder interface. On the left panel, you'll notice various options and tools. Click on Add Element. This is where you can add different fields and features to your form. From the element categories that appear, click on Payments. This section contains all the payment-related integrations Jotform offers. Next, use the search box within the Payments section and type Cash App Pay. This will filter the options to show you the Cash App Pay integration. Click on it and wait for the Cash App Settings panel to open on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll configure all the payment settings. In the Payment Connection section, you'll see a yellow button. Click on it to begin connecting your payment processor. You'll be prompted to type a connection name, which is just a label for your reference. After entering the name, click Connect with Square. Since Cash App Pay operates through Square, this connection is essential for processing payments. You'll now be redirected to log in to your Square account. Enter your Square credentials and click Continue or Save to authorize the connection. This step links your Square account with Jotform, allowing payments to flow seamlessly between the platforms. Give it a moment to complete the authorization process. Once connected, click the Mode drop-down in the Integration panel. Here you'll see options for Test Mode and Live Mode. When you're ready to accept real payments, select Live Mode. If you're still testing your form, you can keep it in Test Mode for now. Go back to the Cash App Pay settings in the right panel. In the Payment Type section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Sell Products from the options. This setting determines how the payment will be structured within your form. Finally, scroll down to the Currency section if needed. Here you can select your preferred currency for transactions. Choose the one that matches your business location or customer base. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Cash App Pay with your Jotform, enabling you to accept payments directly through your forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.